Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy bun updo on short to medium length hair. To start, I'm going to put some volume powder at the crown. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now I've decided to back comb the hair at the root of the crown just for a little bit more volume, but you can skip this step if you don't like back combing. Use your comb to smooth out the top layer of hair, and we're going to gather that back combed section to the back of the head and secure it into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. Apply some wax spray over the top, again I'll list it below, and then pinch and pull at the crown for more texture. Now I've taken a bun donut and cut it apart, and I'm just going to cut off a very small piece. And then taking my comb, I'm gently teasing the ponytail on the top side. Now I've rolled up that padding into a sausage shape, and I'm just popping it at the end of the ponytail on top and then rolling it up until it meets the head and secure on all sides with as many bobby pins as needed. Then you simply stretch out the sides of the hair over that padding to cover it. Next, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face and take all of the hair from the ear upwards, and I'm going to bring this around to the back of the head, giving it a slight twist and pinning it to the opposite side of that little bun. And then just slip a bobby pin on the right hand side for security. And we're going to repeat the same on the left hand side, so take all of the hair from the ear upwards, give it a little twist and bring it over to the right hand side, and then secure on both sides with a couple of pins. Next, divide the remaining hair in half and apply some texture spray. And on the left hand side, I'm going to do a simple 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom. Next, using your fingers, pinch and pull at each loop of that braid to make it as voluminous as possible, and then secure it with a clear elastic band at the end. Then just repeat it on the right hand side. So create your 3-strand braid and then pinch and pull that braid apart and secure with a little elastic band. Now taking the left braid, I'm going to bring it up and over the top of that padding to the opposite side, and then just secure it at the top and bottom with a couple of bobby pins. Then take the right hand braid, bring it over to the left hand side, securing at the side of the bun, and then tuck the ends underneath and secure with another pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.